Hi everyone, welcome back to Still Las Vegas. Today we're in Mandalay Bay, bringing you a room tour of room 12221. This is a Resort King strip view room. So just as we come in, we have a large full-length mirror on this side here, and then I'll show you the bedroom. This is such a large size room. It's a lovely king bed and it's just really well decorated, as you can see here. And across from the bed we have a really large size unit which has a coffee machine, and it also has a weighted minibar just there, so just be careful as anything that you pick up from there will be charged to your room. Underneath there is a minibar fridge, and this is also fully stocked and everything in here is chargeable. And unfortunately this room doesn't have an empty fridge for your own use. A lot of rooms in Las Vegas do have this, but not this one. But there is a lot of storage on the unit just here for your drinks and food, and there's also an ice bucket and glasses so that you can have nice cold drinks as well. Just above the ice bucket there is a large screen TV, and just to the side of that there's also a desk with an office chair, which is great for if you need to do any work. And yeah, there really just is so much storage on this whole unit here. There's also some drawers, so there's 3, this one's quite small, and then there's 2 larger size drawers underneath as well, so plenty of storage there. And just to the side from where we came in, there's actually a door there, and that is for if you had an adjoining room, that's where you would go through. Now over on this wall here we have the closet. So we have a closet on this side here, and this is a full double size closet with lots of hanging room and hangers. And as you can see, you've got an ironing board there, and there's also plenty of room for storing your luggage as well. And we have an equally sized closet on the other side as well, just here. And this one has a luggage rack and some more hanging space, and also a shelf above. So really this room has plenty of storage options. The middle door of the closet is actually the door through to the bathroom, so you just push the doors open and you can see straight into the bathroom there. Just as you come in, you have dual sinks with a really large vanity area, and also a huge well-lit mirror which is perfect for getting ready, doing hair and makeup. And at the sinks you'll notice some products here, so you do get some lotions provided as well as some soap, and there's also some towels here, and there is a small shelf just below that has some extra towels and a hairdryer as well. So a really good size area there. And then on the other side of the bathroom we have this large bath as well, with some nice artwork above it and some towels, and again more products just there. You also get a huge walk-in shower as well, and this one has a little shelf for you to store your own products, but you do also get the MGM Resorts shampoo, conditioner and body wash as well in there. And just to the side of the shower there is a separate WC just here, so I'll just show you that. So that's always nice to have that as a separate room. And that's everything really in the bathroom. So now going back through to the bed area, can't wait to show you the view. It's really amazing from this room. As I say, the bed is a really good size. It's a king size bed. You have the bedside tables here which have drawers on either side, and also a shelf below. The lamp has some sockets, and there's also a phone there. The other side has an alarm clock which has USB and USB-C ports for charging devices as well, so that's really handy. And then that really brings us over to the window area. So you have 2 large armchairs which seem really good quality material and nice and clean as well, and these would be easy to turn around to face out to the view. So I'm just going to show you a close-up of the view now. It really is amazing. We're on the 12th floor of Mandalay Bay, and you can see directly down the strip, and you can actually see really far down all the way to the Flamingo and Treasure Island, which is quite far from here. I'm really looking forward to seeing it at night because you can see the Luxor pyramid there, and it actually has the world's largest beam of light that shines at night, so I will insert some clips of that when it gets a bit darker later on. But yeah, I'm really impressed with this room. I think it's an amazing view. I was a bit worried when they said it was a 12th floor room because that's not particularly high. You can see Mandalay Bay goes much higher than where we are, but really it's actually a great level for seeing directly down the strip. So really happy with this room. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video today. If you have, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit subscribe as we do upload room tour videos as well as lots of other Vegas videos every week. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.